If you're in the market for a medium-sized heavy-duty bandsaw, then the features you really need are a powerful blade motor, dual miter cutting for versatility, and variable speed control to cover a range of material types. So let's have a look at the WH and UE series semi-auto bandsaws that give you a selection of column or pivot type machines with powerful precision cutting, dual miter cutting, and many more great features for your workshop. The column type WH series gives you double-sided miter cutting for maximum efficiency and extra-wide cutting for rectangular molds, solid material, pipes and H-beams, as well as faster cycles without setting bow height. The WH offers 45 degrees left and 60 degrees right miter cutting with easy operator adjustment. The special design of the WH series gives you extra-wide cutting versatility, usually found only on very large machines, and can handle workpieces up to 820mm wide and 460mm high, which is huge for this kind of machine. This machine also has a vice pressure regulator to help you cope with thin materials clamping and cutting. This machine also features a full-stroke hydraulic vice, hydraulic blade tension, powerful chip brush and chip collection tray for easy chip cleaning. The simple-to-use control panel on the WH machines gives you variable direct speed control from the panel with a digital readout for verification. Additionally, it features a variable cutting feed rate control to allow you to easily adjust for different material types. The WH series has a material approach feeler installed to auto-detect the material height and speed up your cutting cycles by reducing operator intervention. This is a feature that you would usually only find on fully auto machines, but is now available in the semi-auto series as it gives you such a great productivity boost. The UE-530 delivers massive cutting power for a machine of this size and is a pivot-type machine with easy-to-use control panel and error indication system. Additionally, it has dual-side miter cutting and bow height setting from the control panel. The UE-530 also has a powerful 7.5 horsepower motor with inverter blade speed control for the toughest jobs. This model has a powered chip brush with coolant to help clean and smooth the cutting cycle. Additionally, it has a chip collection tray for collecting the chips easily. The UE series also has double-side miter cutting flexibility to avoid reclamping issues and speed up your cutting cycles. And with this size of work table, there's also a full-stroke hydraulic vise and hydraulic blade tension device for easy operator adjustment. The UE offers advanced control panel functions with simple symbol control. You can control the blade speed and bow height directly from the panel, as well as the cutting feed rate, which has a guide scale as reference for easy setup. On the UE series, the control panel also features a simple-to-read and effective warning system for machine error conditions, with simple symbol warning for blade tension and vise pressure to make sure you can quickly detect and rectify operational errors.